Hello traders, this is Matthew and I'm back again with another tutorial on this setup on Canadian dollar versus Swiss francs on 4 hours on the weekend. As you can see, the market has closed. So as you can see, yes, the setup is very simple, but there's something we need to talk about on this setup. That what are we expecting to see when the market opens next week on Monday? Okay, so according to my trend lines, I have joined this upper line with the the importance of the price action that happened. Uh, as you can see, we have some highs at this point, some highs again at this point, and price again hitting this area. So that's why I had to put that trend line because the price is respecting that trend lines. That trend line is not going above; it's actually hitting it, then bounce and go down, then hit it again and go down, hitting it again and go down, and again with the lower trend line, which is the resistance, which is this supports. I mean this resistance, and a breakthrough which happened when the market was closing. So this is what we have. The price is actually playing inside this area. As you can see, the price started from it was very broad at the beginning, but when it went up there, it was going narrow bit by bit. As you can see, the distance between here is a little bit bigger than the distance that we have around this area. So I'm going to call it a narrow edge because the price is going narrow inside these trend lines. And as you can see, the price is already broken through the down, the lower trend line. So the price, if the price is broken the trend line on a narrow edge, we expect the price to fall to the previous low, which is this area where we are expecting the price to hit. So this area means that's where most traders will have to put their take profits. And before we can sell this, this pair, we are going to expect maybe a retest a little bit, then fall to the target area, which is this, and a retest will not have to close inside this trend line. It will have to close outside the trend line, which is this trend line. If the retest closes outside and another candlestick which is bearish closed again below this trend line, then we will begin to sell. And where are we going to put our stop losses? This line is the best area to put your stop loss, and this line is where we are going to put our take profits. But as you can see, it's not quite it's not the best risk to reward ratio. As you can see, the number of pips to our stop loss is almost half of the number of pips to our take profit. But still, if you are working on a good setup, you always expect the positive to happen, and you will always have to use risk management on your trading. So this is what we have on this pair, and this video is for educational purposes, not for signals. So we have to be wise when you are taking these trades. And help trading, guys. I hope you enjoy my tutorial.